Hi everyone. When it comes to true theme-based learning, there must be a big picture idea to any given theme. This big picture idea has nothing to do with the big ideas in the BC curriculum. Instead, it's about having a goal for your theme. This big picture idea should answer the following question. By the end of the theme, what is the key thing that you want your students to have learned? A big picture idea is also a hook. Something that not only makes the theme meaningful, but also exciting. Let's take some examples from Pear Tree's school curriculum. Why study a theme about plastics? Well, most things in the world are made of plastic. Is that a good enough reason to study about plastics? I mean, it would be like studying about wood just because things are made out of wood. For me, the big picture idea of the theme plastics is this. Humans and the world's economy are extremely dependent on plastics. After all, almost everything around us is made of plastic, yet plastic is a non-renewable resource for which we have no alternatives. It is also extremely bad for the environment and the health of living creatures. From this big picture idea, you might already deduce the kind of learning that could take place in this theme, such as researching what things are made of plastic, where plastics come from, why plastics are a non-renewable resource, what types of plastics there are, what types of plastics are recyclable, if any, what those numbers on plastic products mean, what happens to plastics when you put them in the recycling bins, what environmental and health damage plastics cause, and what alternatives there are to plastics. You would likely also figure out that the answer to the above questions would involve language arts, math, science, social studies, arts and crafts, and technology. Despite all of this, by the end of the theme about plastics, the key thing I would want my students to know and appreciate are the above points in my big picture idea. Fundamentally, the big picture idea not only provides meaning and a hook for a theme, but also a central focus that avoids going off topic, in the same way as a thesis statement helps someone write a coherent essay. Every bit of learning in the theme must relate to this big idea. That's about all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button below, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.